Again, it's Priscilla Batzell of Spring Hill, Florida, at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. And I have my black regular mix and my white regular mix. Both have Walmart semi-gloss house paint in them, mixed with Artist Loft, black and white from the bulk brand. And then my regular pouring recipe is underneath the video. I'm going to use those in a moment, along with some Floetrol to dip my card into. Maybe, probably. I'm going to use my OXO omelet turning spatula. I'm going to also attempt right out of the gate to dip my beads in the Floetrol before I do anything else. Beads and ball chain. So I will often get cells anyway with black and white. And I've got some pearl ready to go, but I wanted to start. I just want to start. And I always have a really good time starting. Maybe some more. Because I can. That's the name of my first book. It's on the Amazon link. That's on the link tree that's right below the video. I'm going to try not to worry about what's showing up in my paint, my white paint right now. I am going to wipe off my spatula so I have an attempt, a chance to spread the black paint just ever so for a start. And I will worry about whatever dry primed canvas comes later. And I'm also not going to worry about dribbles right now, because dribbles are just a precursor to the ball chain that's coming. I'm not going to worry too much about my edges. Definitely like this as it is. Okay, I'm done. I know, I do that all the time. But I'm not lying. I really do like it when I say I like it. A minimalist at heart who almost never succeeds. Okay, so I'm going to just spread a few things a little more to cover some other stuff, like that. Because it's fun, I recommend this as great art therapy. So, now we're done again. I am going to knock off any paint on that spatula, then wipe it down, because I might want it in a minute. I'm going to take a small dish, put some Floetrol in it. Hopefully there aren't too many colors in there. I'm going to start with the Mardi Gras beads, because I can. Well, I think I can. Let's put the middle. I'll put the middle of those in there. That way we don't have to saturate them all. Just basically getting some texture. I forgot to shut my door and I've got people talking in the other room. So that's not making any cells, but it's making some marks I'm really liking. I'm going to throw those in the bucket and try another set. These are the small ones. They look a little stiff, actually. I do have some gold standing by. So I'm not super impressed with the beads or the ball chain to do anything that I might happen to be thrilled about as far as making cells. But I also haven't stopped to see if they're going to develop yet. But it's a start, and those are going to go on the bottom. I'm not going to waste the number 10 ball chain. I'm just going to come over here and grab my swipe card. Knock my paint off on my edge, like I have been right along. Pick the correct side this time. I think I need gold. That is what I think I need. I think if the cells were going to happen, they would have happened already. Because they usually do anyway, with black and white. But I am having a pretty good time in spite of that. So I do sell my artwork, and my email address is right below the link tree, which is directly under the video, should you happen to be interested. I also give classes at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. And I'm so not done playing with this, but should I put gold in there? I kind of like it the way it is. So, super fast, or do we go for it? I think I go for it. Oh, I don't know. Maybe I would rather have something like magenta. Or not. Let's try everything. Now that I've gone there. Let's try the purple flash from Folk Art. Yes, I kind of like what's happening, actually. If you guys ever have questions for me about the colors I use, please feel free to ask me. This is pretty simple, and I like the concept a lot. Just lay a background and then have some fun with a few colors. And I'm not sure I need much else. I might want a little bit more of that magenta. Simple fun. I really could put the chain back in there. I just want to even it up so it doesn't have those balls on the end, which might actually be something somebody likes, because I did for a little bit. I also don't mind combining my colors. So what else should go in there? I have some golden hour. I'm really tempted to add something odd. That's an Arteza pearl. Yes, I like that. Neat. What else do I have to use? I have some Deck Art Americana 24 karat gold. Please open. There we go. And if I didn't like it, I could definitely put the chain in here again. Being called to red. I wonder if that's a good idea. I'm still having a good time. I'm not stopping. So, I've already gone the gold route. Why not put some in? I don't think I'm going to pull anything with any chain. I think I'm just going to leave it as it is and call it good. In a second anyway. So there's over 91,000 of you subscribed to my channel, and not very many people are watching, but if you share my videos you might help me out of that situation, and I would really appreciate it. Alright, I'm going to use a skewer. Just roll things around. I actually have one of these that's really warped, and it would be perfect for this right now. I know it's kind of simple, but I really like it. So I love you guys, and there's over 1,700 videos. Should you happen to be interested to look for them, you should look for them on the created playlists, all playlists on my YouTube channel. This is just fun. This is definitely art therapy. I think I mentioned that already. And I'm good to go. So what else should I tell you? Please give me a thumbs up if you like what I do. I love your comments. Thank you so much for keeping my morale boosted. I really appreciate that. You have no idea. Thank you for the donations that help keep me painting. Really appreciate those. They're the only things really making this a viable opportunity for you to get videos from me. So thank you to everybody who has made a donation and gotten themselves into the monthly drawing. And you can find the monthly drawing on the end screen video, which is the monthly exhibition video. I wonder if there should be some white in there. I mean, I have some of that pearl. I'm not sure I need any, as she adds some anyway. I've got one over there. Do one over here. Well, I've been trying to figure out what I want to do other than what I have, and so far I haven't ruined it, which is always a good thing. And I think I'm going to be okay to stay with what I've got, where I've got it. I could waggle through a few things, but I don't think that's going to help me. I like waggling, but this is not the time for that. So I don't need much in the way of torching to release the bubbles caught in the paint, because I've scraped through things so well. Probably released most of the bubbles caught in the paint, but better safe than sorry. That was really fun. Really, really fun. That was a bubble. And that's paint smoking. I'm not sure I like it when I do that, because there might be fumes involved. Okay, so what did I not tell you guys? There's Teespring clothing below the video, and that's Oliver Print leggings and Oliver Print t-shirts. There's Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, my Saatchi art, my webpage, all on the link tree. And my Facebook group's Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. Appreciation group is for students. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. Totes and More is for, I want that to be gone. It is what it is. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Totes and More has a shop now button that'll take you to fineartamericanpixels.com that way too. And there's over 1,400 products there. I think I told you about the videos. I think I could play with this for a while. I could make this go through like 20 more stages before it was done, but since I like it like it is and it's got great drama, I think I'm just going to settle for this right now and do something else after this. What else is on my board over there? I told you everything I needed to, other than thank you, and thank you, and thank you again for keeping me here. I improve. You guys inspire the heck out of me. I'll see you anon. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery saying thank you for joining me. I hope to see you again soon. Please subscribe if you're not, and please be welcomed if you just have. See ya. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Bye.